Bitcoin versus altcoins, where should you invest in 2025? Which is better for your crypto portfolio? Are you wondering where to invest your money in 2025? With so many options in the crypto world, it can be tough to choose. But don't worry. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the two biggest names in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and altcoins. We'll compare the advantages, risks, and potential rewards of each so you can make a more informed decision. Bitcoin, the digital gold. First, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the pioneer of the crypto world. Launched in 2009, it's the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. Its primary advantage is stability, especially compared to altcoins. Bitcoin has proven itself as a store of value, much like gold. Investors who are looking for a safe haven often turn to Bitcoin for its reliability over the years. With a fixed supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin is seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. If you're someone who values security and long-term growth, Bitcoin is probably the best option for you. However, Bitcoin is not without its challenges. The rise of altcoins has reduced Bitcoin's market dominance, and the potential for explosive growth in Bitcoin may not be as high as it once was. While it remains a dominant force, it's not the get-rich-quick investment it once was for early adopters. Bitcoin is a stable choice but might not provide the same high returns as altcoins, which brings us to the next section, altcoins. Altcoins, the growing revolution. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin. These include popular tokens like Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and many others. Altcoins are designed to solve specific problems that Bitcoin doesn't address, like faster transactions, smarter contracts, or more scalable solutions. Altcoins are still relatively new, but they've experienced significant growth, with some coins rising dramatically in value. The potential for higher returns is a major reason why many investors are excited about altcoins. However, it's important to understand that with the potential for greater rewards comes greater risk. Altcoins are generally more volatile than Bitcoin, and their prices can fluctuate wildly. For example, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, has been pushing the boundaries of decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts. These innovations could be game changers, and some altcoins may experience huge growth if their technology becomes more widely adopted. Which to choose in 2025? Now, you're probably asking, which one should I invest in 2025? Well, it really depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for stability and long-term growth, Bitcoin might still be your best option. It remains the most established cryptocurrency and is considered the safest bet for investors looking for reliability. If you're thinking about building a secure portfolio, Bitcoin is likely a safe choice. On the other hand, if you're willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher returns, altcoins could be an excellent option. There are many promising altcoins out there that could see massive growth in the coming years, but remember, they come with higher volatility. Diversification, a key strategy. Here's an important tip: diversification is key to managing risk in crypto investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your portfolio to include both Bitcoin and altcoins, you balance the stability of Bitcoin with the growth potential of altcoins. For example, you could allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to Bitcoin for safety and place a smaller amount in altcoins that you believe have high potential for growth. This way, you can reduce the risk while still positioning yourself for future gains. Real-world examples looking at the past can give us an idea of how things might unfold in the future. For example, when Bitcoin started gaining popularity in 2017, it rose by nearly 1000% in value. Altcoins, on the other hand, had even bigger gains, such as Ethereum, which gained more than 13,000% in the same time period. Of course, there were also big crashes in the market, but some of those altcoins are still going strong today. Altcoins like Solana and Cardano are already showing strong growth, and Ethereum is expected to continue evolving with new upgrades to its network. So while Bitcoin remains a solid bet, altcoins are quickly becoming the go-to investment for those looking to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. Conclusion: in conclusion, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to Bitcoin versus altcoins. Both have their advantages and disadvantages, and which one you should invest in depends on your individual investment strategy, risk tolerance, and goals for 2025. If you're looking for stability, Bitcoin remains a top contender. But if you're after higher growth potential and you're ready to accept the risk, altcoins may be worth exploring. Ultimately, diversifying your portfolio is the best way to strike a balance between stability and growth. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more crypto insights. Let's navigate the world of digital currencies together, and I'll see you in the next video.